Episode number 10 of 50 words per week, A2 level. Today we have another 50 nouns, but we are dealing with food now and money toward the end. As always, this set is available for you guys to learn on Be Fluent with the first link in the description if you're not a member of Be Fluent yet. I mean, you have heard me say this at least 10 times now. If you haven't joined by now, what's happening? What's going on? You can join with the second link for free. Okay? So let's get into it now. Food. Ресторан is a restaurant. Ресторан. Don't put the T at the end. It's not restaurant. It's ресторан. Вкус is taste or flavor. Вкус. Гриб is a mushroom. Гриб. Каша is porridge or oatmeal. Каша. Kasha, in fact, is anything made of oats. It doesn't have to be porridge. It doesn't have to be made with milk necessarily or water. It can be anything. Anything that you make out of oats is kasha. Café is cafe. Café. Now, in English, when we say to drink a cup of coffee, the danger there, if you just say coffee, in Russian, it will sound like this word café. So whenever you have café, say café. If it's a coffee drink, it's кофе. So only one letter difference there. If you only are going by the English pronunciation of coffee, the reason why we know that it's not cafe is because we say coffee. Cafe. So the difference is in the ending in English. In Russian, it's in the beginning. Make sure that you don't confuse the two and you don't mix in the English into here. Okay? So coffee and cafe. Рюмка is a shot glass. Рюмка. Жир is fat. Жир is fat when it comes to a nutrient. And also excessive body weight can sometimes be called жир too. And if you're making some food, let's say if you're having meat, you have the fatty parts of that meat, steak or pork, whatever, that's also жир. So pretty much everything that you call fat in English, you can call also жир in Russian. Buffet is a buffet. Buffet. Again, in English we say buffet, like a y at the end. In Russian we say buffet with the t at the end. Повар is a chef or a cook. Повар is typically a cook, like a smaller scale, shorter, I guess, prestige cook. Not really a chef yet. Ягода is a berry. Ягода. Appetit is, of course, appetite. Appetit. Официант is a waiter. Официант. Кастрюля is a pan. Or pot, rather. Pot. Кастрюля. Okay? Блин is a pancake. Блин. Or, pancake or a crepe, as well they call it. Блин. Закуска is an appetizer. Закуска, but also if you're drinking, like especially if it's hard liquor, like cognac or whiskey or vodka. Закуска can be something that you bite onto or bite off or eat after you take a shot. So this kind of sense of this alcohol in your mouth can go away and it can go down easier. We call that закуска as well. So something to eat with a drink. Next is варенье. Варенье is a jam or preservatives. Варенье. Something made out of berries. So варенье. Menu is a menu, of course. And борщ, of course, is борщ. It's not translated. Борщ is a type of soup. Борщ. Cocktail is cocktail. Again, compare the two. Cocktail, cocktail. This ale in English is not there for Russian. Cocktail. So the danger comes when you have close words that sound similar. So you think that you can just say in English, like a regular word. You can't. So make sure that even for the familiar words, you learn the proper pronunciation. Next, свекла. Sometimes you can see it as свекла, same exact vegetable. Beetroot. Свекла. Дыня is a melon. Дыня. Булочка is a bun. Булочка. Mandarin is an orange or tangerine, small orange. Mandarin. Клубника is a strawberry. Клубника. Dessert is a dessert. Dessert. Garnir, side dish. Garnir. Пельмени, my favorite dish. Dumplings. Пельмени. We have a different way of making пельмени dumplings compared to Chinese cuisine, for example. It's a bit different. It's boiled, and it's not boiled with any fat. So it's just pretty much water and the actual dumpling. Popcorn. Popcorn is, of course, popcorn. In Russian, the stress is on the last syllable. Popcorn. In English, it's popcorn. A bit of a difference there. Морепродукты is seafood. Морепродукты. Море really means sea, продукты, groceries or food. Морепродукты. Питьевая вода. Drinking water. Питьевая вода. Шампанское is a champagne. Really just champagne. Шампанское. Then we have корм. Корм is food for animals. Корм. Not for people. Корм. Кофеварка is a coffee maker. Кофеварка really means coffee brewer. Кофе, coffee, варка, brewer. Grill is, of course, grill, grill, and сковорода, frying pan or pan. Сковорода. Down with the words for food. Now let's talk about money and different terms for money. First, we have мелочь. Мелочь is change. Мелочь. Valuta is currency. Valuta. Funt is a pound when it comes to a currency. Funt. It can also be pounds in weight. Funt. Moneta is a coin. Moneta. Check, of course, is a check when it comes to a bank check, but also at the restaurant. Check. Скидка is a discount. Скидка. Скидка comes from a verb скидывать, which means to throw down. So you throw down a bit of a price. Распродажа is sale. Распродажа. Курс валют, exchange rate. So it's really course of currency, but exchange rate in English. Курс валют. Кошелек is a wallet, just like бумажник is also a wallet. Honestly, I don't know the difference between them. Бумажник, кошелек, both are used, I think, interchangeably. Plata is a fee. Plata. Аренда is rent. Аренда. Страховка is insurance. Страховка. Квартплата is rent. The rent payment. Квартплата. And finally, чаевые is tips that you leave at the restaurant. Чаевые. That is all. Different words for food and money. Hope you've learned them and they're going to be useful. As you can tell, these words are pretty common for different scenarios, different people, different situations, all of that. Learn it all with Be Fluent right here with this button right here, or keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.